It's a 1934 Plymouth. It went to Horsehead, New York. That's where I bought it out of. I've owned this tractor, I'd say between 25 and 30 years. Had to put new tires on it after I bought it. These are ridge tires on the front and turf tires on the rear. The serial number is number 11. They started at 100. This is 111. As far as I know, the tractor, probably had three pre-owners before me.
We were happy to be able to bring it home to where it was manufactured. I never thought my husband would ever own a Silver King or a Plymouth Tractor because he had one when he was growing up on his dad's farm that he farmed with.
But we got the Horsehead, $10,000, and I hadn't got a bid on it yet. My wife says, "What are you going to do?" And I looked at her. She said, "Well, we come after the tractor." So that opened the door.
When our children and grandchildren came home, a lot of times they would get the tractors out of the barn. They'd go around the barn, ride them, around the barn or down the lane and back. And so they've had a lot of fun